In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter in Tesco voucher codes online. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, as you can see, I'm over at tesco.com and I am signed in. So make sure to sign in for this to work, or create an account and then sign in. And then from here, I'm just going to put some random products into my basket. So I might add in about 50 of these. 5 of these, going to click add. And now basically what we need to do is head out to the checkout section of Tesco. So you can see 5 in basket here. So if we go to our basket, all right, so we've got 5 in the basket here. So now we're going to go to checkout. And now you want to review your basket. So scroll down, that looks all good to me. So click on checkout again. And skip all this stuff, click on checkout again. And now where you're at the section of review and checkout, scroll down and you'll see voucher or coupon code. Go ahead and put that paste in that coupon code here, click apply, and then whatever that amounts to will be taken off the total order. And then from there, click on continue to payment and put in your payment details to purchase your products.